Just paste
what
everywhere.
the fuck?
Remember Power made like a huge mess?
Oh yeah, she came down to him.
Kind of like that they showed purple blood, because I'm guessing they would have censored things a bit more if it was red, you know?
Oh, sure.
You know?
Like, how are you?
But
This way, it's just goop.
oh. Oh. This rules. Ah, you have to investigate the situation, see who's got jurisdiction.
Wait, but I'm the newbie.
Blood Devil, gotcha, that's her power.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a pretty dope power.
Yeah.
Throws him immediately under the bus.
Yeah.
You're one of those, damn, Power.
Yes. The newbie.
I mean, nah, you definitely not. She definitely not the one.
Disgust.
Don't lying on my name.
Fake ass liar.
Mom!
Oh.
Are you lying right now? What you saying? One of us is lying.
Damn.
What the fuck?
Ass.
Yeah. Yeah,
she's fine with
like
this.
shifting.
This
They
is
gotta work
bonding.
this out, you know? Yeah.
Was it a mistake to pair them together?
Oh. Power is scared of
Scared of
Makima.
her, yo.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Her and wine.
I mean, she was threatening to make her not a,
Like two dogs.
you know, devil hunter, and if that happens...
The focus on the eyes.
Are you still an effective team?
Yeah, exactly.
Like she really wants to appease her.
Oh, yes. Yes, she has those.
Indeed.
It's crazy how she got it like a dog too, bro.
Power. Put all the blame for everything on me from now on. If.
Yeah.
Those eyes, bro. This is like a shotting gun.
Done.
To
5 minutes a day. 3 minutes. Done.
yeah.
Buy a second one for her. Come on.
You
Come
want
on.
one?
Yeah. Come on. Oh.
Food.
Uh-oh.
Aw, baby.
Does she love cats? She seems like a person that loves cats. I want she's eating the cat. And I eat my words.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting he
You
can't
can bond over that, yeah.
Something so simple as like life-changing.
Show me where. What is,
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Luke would be like,
Yeah. That part. Love me cats.
Interesting.
Oh.
Oh.
She hates everything.
So she's
Yeah,
basically
right?
John
Besides
Wick.
animals.
Alright. Maybe.
Actually, I had a dog that was a chainsaw.
Says the person who had a chainsaw dog.
Yeah.
He actually said that out loud.
Yeah, humans are weird.
I don't understand teenage boys that have that cannot develop properly.
Cat and dog person. Nice.
Oh yeah? What?
Wow, that's a one way to
Music starts
motivate.
going. He's like,
He started shaking. What?
Son of a bitch. I'm in.
Shit.
yeah. Yeah.
I don't think so.
Do the hand clasp.
Yeah.
Good.
And took her cat. That was so fucking cute. He's on a mission to touch boobs. I mean, again, it sounds funny, but it's sad.
for the.
Oh, damn. Just.
Sign her off.
Whoa.
That makes sense.
Check her out.
Okay.
Well, after what she did last episode,
Hey, and
she should be
Uting.
on by herself.
Yeah.
Right? Christ, he doesn't even.
Take your horned cat to the market day.
We have horned and horny.
Oh, this is happening now. This is like a future.
But seeing you,
Damn, I can't
The way she was talking was as if her cat was dead.
yeah.
I can't pet him. Pet my chest.
That's something else.
He means literally.
No.
No, he's literally.
No, like it's
No, like he literally.
No, literally, but
Yeah, like, no, we confused, guys.
I'd like to live on in your heart.
Yeah, right.
That means that everyone is alive.
I'm gonna say anything to grab this titty right here, bro.
Right? Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Even if I disagree with you, I'm probably not gonna tell you.
no. Not for now, at least. Not for now, at least. Yeah.
He's walking around with an axe.
You are like siblings.
Casually.
Yeah.
Always know.
Ooh, world building. Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Makes sense.
America's always just rear into.
The interesting one is Denji.
Yup.
Say what now?
That's unfortunate. Yeah, they're just literally.
This could be the breeding ground for dogs in the military, if you think about it.
Sure.
Yeah.
Where it's we have you solved these problems,
So
but this
she
is all
so-
training.
So they
Yep.
do have like
And
set up
Makima's
to
just
create
one
this
of
little
our,
team
like,
of, like,
elite,
devils and fucking
soldiers,
fiends
you
and
know.
shit.
Passing
like
on
a-
the ones
it's like
that
a
are
general, you know,
Like,
just
dependable. Yeah.
Denji
Yeah, yeah.
Ralaz.
Already.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Yeah. That's why she didn't even say anything too.
seeing these two have a one-on-one conversation could be interesting.
You think she's trying to flip on them?
That's wild though. They said the military is using devils too, bro. That's when shit gets dangerous, yo.
Didn't they say they were thinking about it though? I don't know if they are right now.
I thought they said they are.
Okay.
Whoa,
Good to
the
know.
psyche of
Coffee dog.
Okay.
Knife devil.
Now, what about a chainsaw devil?
Chainsaw devil. Crazy.
whoa.
Okay.
Never saw him turn.
It's straight out of the slasher horror films, you know.
Right. His is just boobs.
Damn, Aki.
Oh, I forgot he said that to him.
Damn. I mean, at least he
Yeah,
has a
he's
place where
definitely
he can
ignorant to the way this
speak
world
anyway,
works.
you know?
Yeah, facts.
He respects his opinion.
Look at her.
And the polar opposite of Aki.
Oh, we're out in the country, okay.
And with him is like, bro, the idea of just having the devil work for him is just crazy.
For love. Like she loves a cat.
Denji don't know what he's getting himself into, bro.
Oh, bro.
This devil's about to be wild.
What if the cat is
There's a
not-
reason why she didn't go by herself.
Exactly.
And you see how much of a beast she is too.
Yeah.
The problem with that too is him losing
Yeah, see,
blood
how about
knowledge
the
just
chainsaw?
about.
Hey, but maybe she is convinced that as long as she has help, she can take the devil down.
No.
She really doesn't believe this dude, yeah.
I know it sounds kind of crazy, but control the cat, so that she has to fight it.
What is happening? Why?
Oh my god, is this a trap? I thought it was nice cloning experience.
I lied.
Wow.
What's happening?
What do you mean?
She lied about being close with the cat.
No, she spoke about what takes.
You've been lied to. This is not.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
Oh
not
shit!
what you think it is.
Wow.
Oh shit!
Okay.
Damn, she knocked him out with the quickness. What the fuck?
Nigga, she pinged the fuck out of him.
What happened so fast?
Sacrifice him.
Damn, bitch.
Yeah,
Like
I
she
didn't
wants
see
to
her
feed
like
him to the
him.
devil because like she thinks
Yeah, what if her Real was a devil?
Yeah.
fucking up for work, like they
Oh,
can
damn.
It probably is.
Okay, okay.
We don't fuck with power.
I thought I loved you.
Oh, she wants to
Damn.
give him as a sacrifice for the cat. That's fine. That's fine.
She just wanted to be freed.
Oh.
He's half devil. You know.
All right. Huh.
She literally thought he was capping.
Damn, Paul, I thought you was gonna be
Oh,
good.
that's a big demon.
Oh, he's conscious though.
Yeah.
Well, damn, nigga, it's about to be worse.
Okay.
Can't fly, yeah.
Ain't my fault.
Oh.
Shit.
Uh-huh.
This one isn't a human.
Oh, but he got.
That's all he had to do?
It still helped him out though.
He just got
Oh, he doesn't like human blood.
Oh shit.
Human blood, devil blood. Oh yeah, he didn't want the devil.
Well, Denji, you're alive. This is good.
Yeah.
Damn.
Definitely don't trust him.
Yeah.
Shit,
I like this development.
Yeah.
I might be right about making friends with these devils.
I have a real story. I would die in this one.
Nah, he just wanted to.
You know what? Yeah, man.
Well, okay.
Like, she doesn't get why, but that's, you know, she doesn't even know the reason
All
why.
right, we're gonna need Aki.
Yeah.
I feel
Sense a cigarette.
Yo, this Batman go on a fucking rampage.
Might. He is. That's not might. But I don't think he's gonna get to the city. I think he's gonna.
How did you go to
I think he's
children's
gonna turn
party?
into a chainsaw man.
children.
What do you want? A human.
Oh,
Okay, well there was my.
He definitely did
Gotcha.
have me out.
It was not a lie. You want your cats released.
Damn, a bird.
Oh.
Oh
Wow,
no.
she really, the devil really had no. You gotta eat that shit.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what you get, power.
Yeah, that's what you get. We don't like power.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god, she's naked.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh. Wow. Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll fatten you up. Yeah.
Yeah. And
But then it's like, oh
caring
wait.
about you and the cat cares about you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe you're right.
Yeah, because she said let's put some
Yeah.
ink on the bone.
Yeah, she probably grew attached before she.
Oh, but she killed the cow too. Damn. What is?
Ah.
Oh. Sure. Especially being like, you know,
Yeah.
blood devil. That's like,
What kind of shit?
I feel like she couldn't have killed him with that one.
Okay.
Nah, she's about to
Alright.
black out on this one.
Yeah, I'm surprised she didn't just tee up
About
on
to
him.
black out.
Now, didn't chew.
Right.
So the cat might be okay.
Why did he black out?
might just tear.
Nah, this cook goes crazy. I feel like both of them about to black out.
Help.
Yeah, he can relate.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh.
I just felt this feeling now.
Oh shit.
Shit!
She just.
Oh, what the fuck Aquaman.
He's about to kill him. He's about to kill him from the inside. He's about to kill him from the inside.
Well, okay.
Get throughout the stomach.
All right, okay.
That might have been the dumbest. That might have been the dumbest shit that he could have done. He's about to die.
Well, this thing can fly. Yeah, I do not know how you're gonna deal with this.
Hey, virgin. How are we gonna?
Oh, nah, that's bad devils on some.
Seriously, my friend back.
Yeah, gross, man. Why would you do that?
Great.
Yeah, and he got it.
Oh.
And you remember how desperate he felt. Okay. All right. Yeah.
This is beautiful. He's literally about
Oh.
Oh my.
I'm just gonna scribble scrabble. Yo, this is gonna be crazy.
I know that feeling, yo.
Yeah.
And while it's holding him,
That's it, yo.
You done fucked up grabbing me.
he already lost his hand again.
While they're in the air, too.
You're a devil.
I kind of.
Boom.
Yeah.
How did you get from this down?
What is happening here?
I love these kinds of joke setups. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god, you're right.
Hey, she got out of the room. That's good.
She did.
Sure,
We got lucky.
We're gonna kill more people.
She came up, she left that room though, yo. She would have been ass out.
Got through him so that like he would be.
I don't even think that was like
This is nasty.
Power's missing all this.
whatever works.
Oh my god.
Right here, though.
He knocked him through the city.
Let's go. Oh, let's go.
We got ourselves a full-on boss level and using the chainsaws to slow himself down on the road.
Oh, shit.
Oh!
Punch you in the chest. Your chest is open.
That's officially
Yep,
your
yep.
power.
Roll.
This shit looks so clean, bro.
The newest number.
Oh my god, there's a new generation.
He doesn't really know how to fight. Yeah.
No, not really.
Chainsaw's going to soul.
Oh! Yeah.
I like how it's not legwork either.
And he's just bleeding through this whole thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna start attacking them then.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, he's not gonna make it.
Okay. All right. So we can't
That's
retract them.
nice. That's nice. Yeah. Let's go,
I
Poachita.
just found that out too.
Yeah, I didn't know he was this strong, yo.
Wait, what?
Shit.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Jeez.
That's what if you throw a car, it should blow up somebody's shit.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, a sonic like. Oh, holy shit! Oh my god!
Complete devastation.
I mean, he is a bat, but like that was way too strong.
Oh damn.
Yeah, you need to heal. Yep.
Oh damn. You know what that means when you hear that?
Bruh, it ain't sweet, ain't no sugar in this shit.
There we go.
'Cause I believe in the Poachita that believes in me.
Yeah. Maybe try spinning. That's a good trick.
Why are they trying to make these lines so epic?
Yeah, I know. And he's just so stunned, he just drops the dude.
All right.
He doesn't care about you. He's said like 7 times, get out of here.
That's your film, bro.
Yeah, get out of here, man. Yeah.
Let's go, Denji.
He's catching a film. Let's go.
About to be bisected.
Dumbass. Stupid.
He Levi'd him.
He's saying we
He did the whole spin around the arm.
Who told you to punch a chainsaw?
Get them out.
It's common sense.
Yeah, that's it.
Straight through the eye. Oh, man.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
She's gonna come out alive with her dad.
Beautiful.
Made her rain.
He's doing that again.
Yeah, that's so
Hell yeah.
good. That's so good.
He's the goat.